What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing back testing. A couple things. Please follow my Instagram account. I'm going to pop it up on the screen right now. Number two, I am an affiliate with FxReplays, which is what we're going to be using today. If you do want to sign up or just check it out and are thinking about trying to look up back testing websites and stuff like that and considering buying, just use the link down in the description below. I'm going to be pretty transparent with you. It's going to help me out a lot, and it'll be easier for me to leverage money to buy funded accounts so I could post it on YouTube for you guys and my journey. So yeah, do what you want with that information. And now let's get into the trading. All right. So as you can see, we're in FxReplays. Set it up to see my chart colors on TradingView. I'm using the same indicator. It's just the sessions box, so it's like this is all of the New York session. This is like New York session low, New York session high, London low, London high. My trading strategy, I am still refining. I've been on a pretty poor down streak right now on trading, so let's get into it. All right, so we're on NASDAQ right now. We're gonna be trading NASDAQ S&P, and we're gonna see what's popping between both. So right now we're on the day time frame. We look like we're in a somewhat consistent downtrend coming from the top down here. Yeah, we're from top here. Yeah, so it looks like we're in a downtrend, just overall consistently going down. So possibly looking for shorts. Let's just check if there's anything like retesting in the day time frame. And this is literally like I bought FxReplays like 20 minutes ago. So you're learning with me using this website. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah. So we got an inverse fair value gap here. Let's mark that out. I'm gonna try doing it simple. Again, I'm not the best trader, so if I do say say something like that's incorrect, just let me know in the comments. Wait, inverse fair value gap. You know, we love those. We love those IVGs. And yeah, so I'm thinking on the daily time frame it's gonna retest up top here, but we'll see. Maybe a possible break in structure to the upside, breaking out here maybe, or maybe here. Whoops. It's fib here maybe. We'll see. So we got an IVG in the daily time frame. What I like to do is just go down each time frame, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, to see anything I could catch. Like, let's mark out this low. I like using the horizontal ray down here. Just magnet it on there. Right, that's low. We'll just mark out this high, right? Might as well mark out this high there, and we'll wait. We'll see what's popping. Maybe mark out this high, right? But nothing crazy. So right now we got another fair value gap here. This is a regular fair value gap, so FVG right there. I like marking out all my gaps. Sometimes I think I overmark the gaps, but I'd say it worked for me, or it's been working for me. All right, so we're into the hour time frame now. So we're waiting to see if this candle retests down, possibly. Let me draw this out. I think it would be best. Retest down, then comes back up, and hopefully off this retestment here it does surpass this inverse fair value gap. Next, all right, so as you can see, just based off this candle it goes up, but retesting this inverse fair value gap, which I do not have labeled, but you get the point. Retest, a check again, boom. So now we know that this, if I am correct, this is invalid. Since it retested here, it broke through twice, came up here and came down, this will be an invalid gap. Now just keep waiting. If I was correct, see if it retests down. So it doesn't retest down. Does it go into like a smaller gap? Let's see here, maybe. It does hit that inverse fair value gap here. Let me know in the comments. Am I overdoing the gaps? I don't know. Got another gap here. I just love gaps. And yeah, I don't think we could get any good price action. Or no, am I using, geez, I can't speak. Am I even using that term correctly? I can't see like any entries. Like, come on, like what is this? Maybe this would have been a good entry, but we'll see. 5 minute now, come down. So it is coming down. Boom, retest. See, I need a more bullish answer. All right. So what I'm thinking, since it retested there, and it is, if I'm not mistaken, whoa, coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a long. So what I'm probably gonna do, go for a long somewhere around here, but I want to see if there's a stronger bullish candle, especially on the 5 minute. So look, again, kind of shitty price action, just keeps retesting between each gap. Boom. So this gap has been invalidated, but it is respecting this right here. Let's mark out this low, see if it sweeps. If it does, it does. That means that it's currently in a downtrend. There was a gap somewhere here. I think it's in the higher time frame. Yeah, there's a gap here. Boom, retested. Now it's coming up. Probably gonna retest about here. Again, I love my gaps. Come back down to the 5 minute. It's pretty weak, so I'm not being like too concerned if this breaks. Jesus, it touched and it comes down. All right, I'm waiting for this gap to break, because we'll enter if it hits here. Actually, no. Remember, guys, don't enter based off of like FOMO. We are entering based off strategy, right? Right, guys, strategy. I don't know what to call my strategy. Call it the gap. Geez, it is retesting. It is closing. All right, this right here. What did we just see? I'd say this is like bullish characteristics. These two candles here, based off of the retestment coming up, right? We're gonna see if it, and I don't know if I'm playing it too safe, sweeps these highs, and again, coming back with the gap. Is this a fair value gap? Nah, it's like way too small, right? I don't know. Based off that retracement, there are like no gaps. Screw the long, right? Let's go short. Let's go short. I like my risk to reward ratio at a 1-to-2, and if anything, we could just move it down. Remember in the beginning of the video when I said like, oh, we're going to be trading shorts? Probably going to trade shorts. Now, how do I buy? Now let's go. Oh. Did I just hit that? I think I just traded off news. I traded off news, but I hit it. So, wait, I might have not hit it. No, wait. Oh, shit. Damn, it went all the way up there. All right, now we got to mark out London session high here. It broke this high, so it's probably going to be going in an uptrend on the 5 minute. Holy shit. It's not going in an uptrend. This is what we're going to do. Since I'm iffy, we're going to only risk the 1%, right? It's retesting on that gap. So as you can see here, it's retesting on that gap. Since we're so since we are up $830, I'm gonna move it down to this high right here, or that like low high. Boom. All right. So this was my thinking. I know we already went over it in the like a little earlier before I hit the trade. So as you can see, this gap, I think it was in the 1 hour, not 4 hour. Yeah, I think it was in the 4 hour. Or was it the daily? Maybe I'm tripping. It's probably the 4 hour. All right, whatever. Oh, jeez. So this gap right here, it broke this high, invalidated this high in the one session, and it just created a retestment. So it comes up, retest from here, comes up, retest back, broke this. Actually, I am a little slow. I did not notice that it broke this. That's on me. And it comes down, sweeps out a low, and take profit. Now let's see if there's any price action. Let's try trading New York. This gap is still valid because nothing broke through yet, and on the higher time frame it's going to show like a retestment on a higher time frame candlestick. Retestment, and I want to say the 1 hour or 4 hour gap. We saw a retestment, another gap here, here, retest. So that clearly did not retest. It swept this gap right here. It sweeps that out. Yeah, it swept out here too. You got a extra juicy fair value gap here. I could wait for a retestment here because it did not break this high. So I could wait for a retestment, sweep. Once it passes this high, two fairly bullish candlesticks on the 5 minute here. Let's see if it sweeps or even hits this high. All right, now we got a gap here. Created a fair value gap. Boom. We have an order block down here. The retest, it did hit that. So it hit off the order block. Got another gap. Just love my gaps. Broke this fair value gap here. Got another block right here. So I'm gonna enter in. Speed this bad boy up. Consolidation. And then to the upside. Let's pause that real quick. Just moving kind of quick. And then holy shit, right? Holy shit. We're just gonna set up like a take profit here. I'm expecting more downside. Possibly, let's just set it a break even. Stop loss 0, 0. All right, just in case it just retests, and I think that was a 0 return. Maybe it was just a retestment to the upside, but no, that's a very powerful up movement to down movement. So I'm not expecting another move to the upside. That's a break of structure to the upside. So that's a break in structure to the upside. Is a break of structure to the downside if I'm not mistaken. Never mind, maybe I'm stupid. Yeah, I am stupid. I am stupid. We got another fair value gap here. Fair value gap, retest, break to the downside. Still, again, hit that same area, that same low. So I was right with this break in structure. Coming down. Coming down. This is where I'll enter. Actually, no, I'm not even in the trade. Alright, so I somehow did it. I don't know how. I don't know. So I'm gonna call it for a day. You know, I just got it. I just want to learn. It is 7:45 right now. But yeah, I'm probably gonna get better at backtesting. Hopefully this video kind of helped you. Do what you will to that information. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll probably be posting more of these just because, especially during school, I can't trade live markets and like record it. And yeah, hopefully I could just maybe just share a little lesson or two through backtesting. But there is a little surprise, and I'm just gonna leak it now. Me and my friend Taken from the other video, we are gonna be buying evals, and yeah, we're gonna be buying evals, and we're gonna be trying to pass them during winter break. What's better than that, right? So, yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Please follow my Instagram. Again, Krigy Trades. Link in the description. If you want to check out FxReplays, click my link. It's also down in the description. And yeah, stay blessed.